your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon, and guys, we are back with another food challenge for you guys. Boom!
Boom!
So guys, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing the yellow and green food challenge right now. Right here we have in our bowl, we have a paper that says yellow and green. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors. We're going to turn around, and then the next person going to turn it around, and then we're going to pick up the thing. And then we're going to reveal which one we have. And then we have about, what, like 5 or 7 snacks?
5 to 8.
We have 5 to 8
stuff with us, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we're going to jump into this video, man. Before we jump into this video, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
Alright, you dig, you know what I'm saying? We're going to jump right into this thing, right? Ready?
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, that's one.
Yeah.
So we're going to press
2 out of 3, yeah.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. God damn it. I don't know
I
why
go first.
Okay,
Lock
go.
your eyes, nigga. I go.
Lock your eyes. Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3, go. What do we have?
What did I get?
I have green.
Green. I got yellow.
Alright guys, so as y'all can see, we have
Fight.
our green and we have our yellow food. So I have green.
Let's say I want maybe yellow because I got banana yellow, yeah. I will go, there's nothing wrong with green apple.
I have green apples.
I got banana.
Exactly. Alright guys, so we about to eat this up right now.
Eat this back Buddha up.
You gotta eat all of them.
Eat all what?
All your bananas.
Crazy.
Let's see if you can do that.
I'm not eating all these bananas, bro. You're crazy. You can't even make a first bite. It's good? What? Sour?
Sour? Right.
Yeah. It's so good.
Nope.
We'll go get them anyways.
Okay. Nope. Ow, this is a really jawbreaker.
One down.
One down.
Which one? What do you mean one down?
You gone.
Or one down your choke?
Mm-mm.
You're right. I didn't tell you that green.
These are the kind of apples that them old folks get with them dentures in it because they got strong teeth.
What you say?
Alright guys,
Round 2. Fight!
Alright guys, we are back. Okay. That's 2 out of 3. Come on, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boom!
He not gonna do that. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boom! All we'll do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on the ground.
Boy, spin this stuff.
Right, go.
Okay. What you doing?
I'm
What
gonna
you
stick
doing?
with this, man.
Alright.
I'm gonna keep it. I got yellow again.
I got green again.
Yellow again.
Alright, so we have lime. We have limes and
Whoa.
lemons.
Whoa. Y'all see that?
So,
Yo, I did a magic trick. Hold on, I'll be back.
Ooh. Hey, throw the third one in. Throw the third one in. Throw the third one in. Throw the third one in.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Whoa.
Okay, give me my lime. Alright, guys, so I got limes and he have lemons. So right here we have our butcher's knife.
Be careful with that.
Why?
That's a big man thing right there.
What you talking about?
Ooh, she's fancy. All right, I'm gonna cut this bad boy
Let's
up.
go. Why he go and get the biggest knives in the kitchen? Ouch! Oh, dang.
You good?
Y'all see how he don't care about me?
I don't care about you. You ready?
Yep. Let's
All
go.
right, come on, let's go. Come on, man. What you doing? Come on.
Okay, come on, babe, for
Get
real.
that bag. Yeah, all that. All that juice. All that juice. Ready? Come on, let's go.
Oh, oh my God, that's so tangy. Very good.
Ooh.
Woo. Well, you're such a bad. This was actually not that bad.
This so
that sour.
Nah, sour? At all? This? Let me squeeze the amount then.
I'm biting it.
No, let me squeeze the whole juice in the amount then. Come on.
You trying to kill me?
Come on.
Let me do you first.
Alright. No, let's do it together.
No, because we ain't going to pay attention. We're going to drop it in
Shit,
the
I'm paying attention, alright? Come on.
It's now.
Oh!
Yeah.
You think you're fat? I'm just...
He's so good. We're not that bad.
What?
We got to eat both of them, babe.
What? Oh!
It's good to me.
Boy, I'm having all kinds of problems over here.
Ooh, I see that. Ooh. Yeah, you is strong.
This shit's sour, girl. We done? Alright, we're done. We're done. We're done. We done? We're done.
Okay, we're done, y'all.
We're done. Love.
On to the next one.
We're back.
We're back. Okay.
I got 2 W's right there. Let's see if we go win this time.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yep. Yeah!
Hey, I thought I got you, bro. Alright, go ahead.
Alright, go. Ready?
Go. I got green.
We're back.
Round
We're back.
3.
Ready?
Fight!
You ready?
So,
You ready?
guys, I
Alright.
have the regular list.
Why I choose to get green, mom, man?
We got green.
I was
Mm.
twerking the
Okay, he got lemon. Alright, guys.
Whoa!
That was so fun.
Cool! That was cool, huh? High five!
He's so
Let go.
silly.
Look at that.
Don't eat my shit. Eat your own. It's good.
It's good.
How you like yours, babe?
It's good.
You got some hot sauce?
Hmm?
Hot sauce?
No?
Or yeah. Okay,
Okay,
we're done with you.
we're done.
You got
We're
one,
back.
please?
Oh, you want it? Go for it. It's all fair. Take it. I don't care. Take it. Take it. We'll be right back.
Round
What the-
4.
Missed us?
Fight!
What round? Round 1 million, because that's what we're going to hit.
1 million.
1 million subscribers.
1 mil.
Don't sleep on us. Don't sleep on us. Okay? Alright, we're back, guys. Round, I don't know, 5, 6, 7.
50.
I don't know. Yeah.
Round 50.
Yeah. Alright.
So,
Alright.
rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
Ready.
Yeah, you ready? Alright, ready, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, what up?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What was that?
I have no
What was
idea.
that?
I have no idea.
Come on, man.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, let's go. Go, lock your at him. Lock your at him. Lock your
I
at him.
like that.
Lock them. 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 Lock them.
Alright.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. 1, 2.
Go. Alright, thank you.
You gonna take that one? No!
Yes! Yes!
I got green. He got
Yeah, boy! Woo!
Guys, I don't want green. Man, I really do not want a green.
Hey, right now we got smoothie. As you guys see, we got some cold smoothie king. You know, it's a little water because, you know, we got to drive home. You know what I'm saying? You know. But she got green though. Hey, my mind told me to switch. I was confused. My mind told me to switch.
Bro, you're not right.
Whoa.
I wanted that one. Come on, man.
Too bad. Let's go. Drink it up. Come on, let's go. This is good. That clean with that system, man. That clean that system.
What?
That clean that system, man. Make it shit to the booty.
No! It's not bad. It's good.
That's good, huh? That's good, huh?
These are pineapples. Pineapples.
Pineapple for the yeah. She needs some company. Right.
You like the green one?
No. Yeah.
Oh.
That's it.
All right.
Next round.
That's it.
We'll be right back. Next round.
Next
round.
round.
Next round.
Next round. Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You always go this first. Got him.
Got him.
Boom, boom, boom.
The hurt fool.
Lock it at him. Lock it. Lock it. Lock it. Come on.
Go.
Go. Spin that back.
All right, come on. 1, 2, 3. Let's take my shit. Yo, I've been getting green all
Yellow.
green.
Yeah. This might be a double for me. Come back.
We are back. Y'all, we are trying the new cereal. I don't know if y'all have tried the new cereal. We have not tried the new cereal, but right now we're going to try 2 other new cereals that just came out or whatever.
Pause. If you guys want us to do a video trying all these new cereals, comment down below. Let us know. Because they got new cereal at Walmart. You guys can go check them out. If you guys want us to do a video on them, comment down below. Comment down below. All right.
Anyways, I have Sour Patch Kids. I've never thought... Keep playing with me. But I never thought they would ever make cereals out of candy. Well, like make cereals that, you know, have similarities as the candy. There you go, baby. You so silly. Let's get to this.
Dig in.
Oh, guys, we have our milk. We bought a little gallon of milk because they don't really drink milk. Yours is like regular Cheerios.
I know. I didn't want that.
Oh, these look so cute.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, my God.
Let's take a spoon with it. 1,
2, 3,
3.
go! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Oh!
Nice, yeah. Why not? It even smells, y'all. It smells like candy. Oh my! Are you eating it without the milk? Okay, so my spoon is completely buried. What we gonna do?
Milk. We need some milk.
Milk. She needs some milk.
We need some milk up in this bag, girl.
Y'all, who finna eat all these cereals? Babe, that is a half a gallon.
God damn, it's already done. Down the milk's at the bottom, babe. Milk's at the bottom.
Yep.
Shit, we're supposed to move my boy.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Y'all, I gotta get in this thing.
Ooh, I gotta get in this thing. Whoa. All right. You ain't gonna look? Like, it's too sweet? It's good, boy. Okay, that's too sweet. Hang on. I don't want that crap. God, y'all don't understand. It's good.
I need a refund.
Why?
I'm pouring this all in the bag. Y'all, this nasty. It's too sweet.
Yep.
Y'all, if y'all don't like sweet cereals like that, don't buy these. Alright, y'all, so this is our
Last and final round. I don't know how many rounds we did, but yeah, this is the last one, right?
It's the last one. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Come on.
Ready?
You got it.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, come
Got it.
on. It's a woman.
Got it.
Damn.
Close your eyes. Lock your eyes. Lock your eyes. Alright, turn.
What are you doing?
I just stopped it. Oh, you cheated! I heard that. Cheated.
Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Come on, ready. I'm gonna let you pick first. You ready?
I'm picking this
Alright,
one.
I want this one.
Really? No.
That's alright. Ready, go.
No, I want this one.
No, I'm telling you, I already picked it up, bro.
Bro, I've been getting green this whole game. It's not fair.
Green. It's yellow. We're back. We're back. These guys can see we got some. What we got, baby?
Twerk.
Wind up on it there. What, John? Whoa, shit, I go crazy on it. Whoa.
I hate you. We got some
Some
Jello. Okay, guys. So I have green lime Jello, and he has yellow lemon Jello.
I don't know which one is worse, but I'm going.
I have no idea.
Ready? Let's go.
So let's go. Hi, it's done, guys. It's not bad. It's alright.
Yeah. It's alright.
It's good.
It's good. Mm-hmm. Real good.
But you like Jello? I never seen you eat Jello.
Me neither.
You annoying about me neither.
Let's see this bad boy.
Babe, why you mix yours in like that?
Look, man, not everything you're going to have to be perfect, man.
That was okay. Babe, why you mixing it in like that?
Why you mixing it in like that?
I'm surprised why you say, why you talk like that? You like mine, don't you?
Should do some. Should put more water in mine, guys.
No, I didn't.
Yes, it did.
A little tiny bit.
Alright, guys, that was the end of the challenge, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry it's early. It went fast. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but
This was fun. I like this.
Fun! High five. Kiss. Ooh. Kiss. Yeah. It's fun. Yeah. You guys should try too. Yeah.
You so goofy. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to do any more challenges, please let us know in the comment section below. Let us know what y'all want us to do, guys. We are very excited to try any challenge y'all want us to do. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this challenge we did today. If y'all did, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button so y'all can be a part of the family. You know what I'm saying? And also hit that notification. Why you looking at me like that?
No, I'm just chilling.
Okay, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And baby, got anything you want to say?
Yeah. Love you guys. Appreciate the support. Push move.
Push move. We
All
out.
tier.
Peace.
Peace.